Hey there YouTube family, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that a lot of us face, slow internet. It can be extremely frustrating when your internet speed is crawling at a snail's pace. But fear not, in this video I'll guide you through some steps to help you fix that sluggish internet connection. So let's dive right in. First thing is to check your internet speed. Before we make any changes, let's first determine if your internet connection is really slow or if it's just a perception. Head over to your preferred internet speed testing website. I recommend speedtest.net and run a speed test. This will give you an idea of your current internet speed. If you really find out that your internet speed was slow, restart your router. It's surprising how often a simple router restart can solve internet issues. So locate your router and power it off. Wait for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This will give your router a fresh start and it might resolve temporary glitches that might be causing slow internet. Remember guys, patience is key during this process, so just give it a few moments, wait for it. Sometimes internet speeds can be affected by interference from other devices or obstructions, so make sure that your router is placed in a central location away from walls and obstructions. Keep it at a reasonable distance from other electronic devices like cordless phones or microwaves, as they can cause interference. If you're still experiencing slow internet, try changing the Wi-Fi channel on your router. This can help minimizing interferences from neighboring networks. Check your router's manual or manufacturer's website for instructions on how to change the Wi-Fi channel. Try doing that once and that can help you as well. Next is updating your router's firmware. Outdated router firmware can cause performance issues, so it is crucial to keep it up to date. Visit router manufacturer's website, locate the support or download section and look for firmware updates for your specific router model. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully during the firmware update process. Incorrectly updating firmware can lead to permanent damage to your router, so be careful with it. In the next step, I'm going to talk about securing your network. If your Wi-Fi network is not properly secured, unauthorized users may be piggybacking on your internet connection, causing it to slow down. Set a very strong password for your Wi-Fi network, preferably using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. And make sure nobody else is accessing, your neighbors are not accessing your connection. Also consider enabling network encryption like WPA 203. This will ensure that only authorized devices can connect to your network. Remember, if everything else fails, you can always reach out to your internet service provider for further assistance. They can help you as well. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay connected. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.